Alright, here's what we got. Came out pretty good. Arc welding is not the nicest weld, but looks like it should hold. Didn't crack, which is always a big thing with manifolds when they're, or casts when they're cooling down. They could crack. Put a welding blanket over top of it, wrapped it up in it, made it cool down really slow. And also on this side there's a big crack almost all the way around. Let's see if I can get this. It went almost all the way around. So I welded, did the same thing, drilled them, fished it out pretty hard, and then I also did a reinforcement weld from each runner because there's obviously a lot of pressure on that one runner. So give it back to customer and put it on and see how it holds up.